Hey everyone, welcome to the Greens Hilltop Homestead. I got a very busy day, well, another busy day here on the homestead. I got to get all my chores done. I'm going to bring you guys along. First thing I got to do the final day of mowing. Finally, it's here. The day is here. So I get to go out there, finish that, pack the mower away for the next 5 months. I got to do a lot of trimming. I got to trim around all the trees, get them cleaned up. Clean around the blueberry bushes because there's some weeds growing there and you don't want the weeds taking all the water and the nutritions from our blueberry plants. So I got to get those cleaned up. I got to go feed the rabbits. I got to feed the pigs. I got to give them all water, get the cows water, and I want you guys to join me with that. But first thing, got to enjoy this awesome cup of coffee. Who doesn't like a good cup of coffee in the morning to help you get them chores done? So let's get started. Oh, today's September 2nd. It's going to be 78 degrees. It's a beautiful day out there. So if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share our videos because I want to make tons of videos, but I think we're going to do probably one good video a week for right now. So let's go get started. Look at that, 15 minutes later and I got these all trimmed up and looking good. So I usually do this probably once a month, try to keep the weeds down, keep it cleaned up. Just helps out. You don't want the weeds to take over and they rob the nutritions and the water from the plant. So I got this all done, looks good. I'm about to get to the mowing and do my last day of mowing. That's gonna be fun. But blueberries, they like acidic soil, so around a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. So keeping the weeds down will keep the soil balanced so they thrive. But what we do, I have 4 truckloads of pine tree chips. So we'll put them around the trees here. And I use a lot of the rabbit poop. I got to do that probably later on today. Put some rabbit poop around these trees. Put some more wood chips. So got this all done. Now we'll move on to the mowing. So I'm sure everybody wants to know, what are you using on your homestead? Well, I got the Kubota, the Z725. It's a commercial grade mower. I mean, it works great on this property because we have a lot of dips in the ground. We got a a lot of bumpy areas. I mean, I abuse this thing. So I mean, as you can see, it's a 60-inch deck. I gotta replace that on there. So before I bring it out for next mowing season, I'll get this replaced, change all the fluids and everything, get it all cleaned up. The only thing I wish, but I bought all my equipment during the COVID time, so you had to get what you get. And this has the Kohler motor. I wish it had the Kawasaki motor, but I mean, it's been fine. I haven't had any issues. And as far as the trimmer goes, I used the Echo trimmer. I believe this model here is the SRM 225. I've had that for about 6 years and it works great. So let's get on board and start mowing this property. I mean, the mower, it definitely mows really nice. I mean, I don't have any complaints about it. That Kubota works really good. But I got about 60 more trees to mow and trim. I got it all cleaned up over here. It's actually doing really good. So yeah, I'll mow once a week. Like I said, this is the last time I have to do this. So it looks nice and mowed. Now I just got to go all over the property and I'll be all done finally with the mowing for the year. I mean, a good rule of thumb is just not cut more than 1/3 of the grass height at a time. I mean, sometimes you go a little lower. It just keeps it healthy and growing strong. So I usually try to cut it at least that high. Yeah, it does a good job. All the way up there. So I'll be here for a while. It usually takes me about 4 hours to mow and do all the trimming. So let's move down. I gotta go finish feeding the pigs and get them water and get the cows some water. Say hi, bud. Say cheese. So these lovely guys, they go to the processor in 2 weeks. You guys act like you're hungry. What's up, bud? Are you gonna go over there and eat his food too? That's not very nice. You got a big chunky butt on you, bud. Yeah, you do. You got a big chunky butt. Want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. You can't eat that. So these guys will definitely let you know when they're hungry, but their bellies are all full. Huh? You all full? You full? I know you're full. So I mean, pigs, they can eat like 5 to 7 pounds a day. We kind of have them on a schedule every day. We give them 7 pounds each. We weigh the food, make sure they get all the food they need for the day, and we feed them once. So it can add up. So if you can like raise your own food or scraps from the garden or find a way, something that works for you to feed your pigs, I mean, do it, because it adds up. We feed them top of the line food. I mean, they get organic feed. So that's a lot of food when you got to keep them for 7 months before they go and get processed. But the reward is at the end when your freezer gets filled up with pork. But you guys go in 2 weeks, huh? Are you all full? You look full. What? You can't eat it. What about you? Yeah? What? Don't breathe. No flies on them. All right, well, you guys are all taken care of. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys? You're all full? We'll see you tomorrow. All right, we'll be back out here tomorrow to give them some more food. You tired? Gotta get them some more water. We have this over here too, so water stays pretty full. Let's take a look at you. Are you nesting yet? Are you doing anything in there? Huh? You want to say hi? Say hi to YouTube. Can I move your box? She moved it over here towards the front. It was in the back. Let me get you guys some food and water. Last chore of the morning. Getting the cows some fresh, clean water. I usually come down here twice a day. I'll fill up their water containers on all of them first thing in the morning, right now. And then I'll come down later on in the evening and check their water. Because they go through a lot of water, more than what you think. I mean, on some hot summer days, a cow can drink like 20 to 30 gallons of water. That's why I have to come down here and check it at least twice a day. I mean, I won't have to check it that much now that the weather's cooling off, but just want to make sure you have happy cows and getting all the water. Got them all laying down. They're all worn out. Ate too much. Alright, so that's my morning routine. I do this every day. Come out here and make sure everyone's got their food and their water, so everyone's happy. You got to keep these guys happy. I mean, this job's not made for anyone, but it keeps our homestead going. It keeps our freezers filled. So I mean, that's the reward at the end. So everything's trimmed. I got everything all done. I get to put the lawnmower away. Yeah, put her away for the rest of the year. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.